tenses ki nanglo la nganju inji as a second language changi chikbu chi mar tarwa inji quran zu yimbe ne ya phechu nyungshu ke cha she nyungshu phechu che dikhar la na future perfect continuous tense maung bala lega chi go chu we rosta ani che muthuni che de yo la sto da chewa de khare changma changya cha du ri la ju ara di khare phechu nyungshu yo de dirda something will continue up until a particular time ra 마음발 내가 지 고추 어디 마음발이 두세 심바지 받을라 치데 요 로지어라 저라 페나 차샤 오리지나 사닝이 내가 지 고추니 나니 버도 치에라 로지어라 오든데 로게 챵간 라고르다 tata dikechati affirmative kaptu laim baina khandiorlna thangbo subject helping verb will tangi shell legme darwa will ane perfect to inchang have ra continuous to inchang fourth form of verb kuni nyam do khare gi digyo bin gi digyo ra ani object since for time ding anjoge hagu ra ta chepapo de tenzen helping verb will have been ra have thing anjoge perfect yung ra ani perfect the continuous ni due in sang bin le ra have been driving chajegi ngo shiba car for 10 years tenzen will have been driving car for 10 years khare tenzen gi chela lochu ringala motor tangwa roji chagre le chuara tije in 2028 Tenzin will have been driving car for 10 years ro Tenzin lochu chedula motor tang dewa roji chagre le chuara dige chadir ta maung bala chema thujo chikpadula khari chagre le ke chedande tan nibadala they will drink coffee le de khari chagre they helping verb will perfect continuous inchang have been drinking ta kaptu laginda perfect continuous tense chedula have been drinking coffee since morning they will have been drinking coffee since morning kunjo khare shokpane shin coffee tung de yo roji chagre la juara odi ke jadirta sangi khare by tomorrow they will have been drinking coffee since morning kunjo shokpane shin coffee tung de yo roji chagre la juara ticha ani next negative tadi ke jadi Tenzin lo chu che dola moro tang de gyo chi chag mare kunzo shokwa ne coffee tung de gyo chi chag mare la yin bai na ke jete khandi chag la na we know that helping verb ki gyaplo la not ligre shamba chik pa chi gyang re ro affirmative ka chi subject helping verb ki gyaplo la negative perfect continuous in sang have been ani fourth form of verb object ani tuju tuendi ta lega chinge thangbo de tenzin will not have been driving car for 10 years. Tenzin lochu chedula modatang yo patos chagmares nipatela they will not have been chazagi ngoshipa the drinking imba drink gaji. They will not have been drinking coffee since morning. Kunzo shopanishin coffee tung de yo ros chagmare le de geja de che. Ta thiwa soya imba ina khariyore thangbo helping verb dugurerwa thine subject thine perfect continuous to in sangla have been chazagi ngoshipa de lerwa. Okay, thangbo will subject the tenzin have been chazagi ngoshiba drive kachi driving have been driving will tenzin have been driving car for 10 years tenzin lochu chedola moda tangyo rosh chag reves ani nibadela will they have been drinking have perfect tongore drinking chazagi ngoshiba continuous tense tungyore kuninyam do bin gidurwa dela khachina na perfect continuous gecha lido Will they have been drinking coffee since morning? Kunzo shokpane shin coffee tung de yoto shag reve le diche. Ta khari khawa khanje le di baina. Din nanglo la double interrogative thangbo di why tenzing lo chu chedula mora ta yo kharjin chagri le baina. Thangbo wh thick why che ani helping verb will thene subject tenzin ani perfect to sang continue have perfect continuous ninyam do sang been ani chazegi ngoshi but driving for 10 years object dilana malana itigorra why will tenzin have been driving for 10 years lochi chedula moda dang de yoro kharjin chagirle rojiara diche nibadela will they have been drinking coffee since morning shobane coffee tung de yoro chagirle vela de kharrelana how condition le de lainda how lap ani interrogative the marang chalero how will helping verb chepa pode how will they have been drinking coffee since morning shokpane chine coffee tung de roz khare shagir le chara ti And dinyamdula ngonzo future ki tense ki lega shipo simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous ti dus tawachine lobsen dus shagi karinche.